Hey guys, my name is Justin. I'm the product manager at AIDA Imaging, and today we're going to be talking about the HD-100A. Now, the HD-100A is just a small step up from the HD-100, where now we introduce a stereo line input where we can embed audio through HDMI. It comes packed with a 4mm lens and is capable of capturing up to 1080p 60 frames. The outside frame is an aluminum case, and it has 1/4-inch mounting holes on the top and the bottom, allowing for ease of access and basically can be put almost anywhere. Our camera also comes equipped with a DC iris port, its dongle port, as well as, of course, the HDMI out port. We also have a service port, which you can use to upgrade the firmware. For more information on the camera itself and where to buy, visit onesourcevideo.com.